Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. What does Kong have for us today in this ginormous Gibson Epiphone case? It happens to be a Firebird in this super cool sky blue, maybe? I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, we're going to be putting 12s on this for our customer. I personally wouldn't recommend it with that horrible trem system, but customer's always right. Anyway, we're going to do it. Is it going to break? We don't know. We're going to do some time lapse and then a sound check at the end, so stay tuned. This is going to be interesting. See ya.